Napoleon Bonaparte was actually right when he said history is the version of past events that people have decided to agree upon, meaning history actually has always been the representation and epitome of events and peoples and incidences that either may have happened or they actually may not have happened at all, because history can also be either created or manipulated or exploited by the present brutal, dictatorial, and obviously dangerous governments and politicians. They always believe in diversion, distraction, and manipulation of perspectives and realities. So, history at the time was also manipulated and exploited because certain leaders wanted to be seen powerful, strong, indomitable, invincible, and they obviously wanted the others to be recognized and perceived by the history as weak and insecure, incapable, and very much domitable, controllable. So that's how history works out. History just cannot be considered to be the actual representation of actual events, and it also certainly cannot be considered to have absolute credibility, reliability, character, authenticity, morality, sovereignty, distinction, individuality about itself, because it's the composition of stories and events that may have happened, but they may have been manipulated and distracted and distorted by the then powerful people, influential ones, leaders, monarchs, kings, dictators, who knows. And whatever is being recorded in the present, that is also going to be altered and manipulated by either this government or the subsequent later governments as well. So history cannot be agreed upon. Now, people agree upon history because whatever we think, say, do, perform, and become collectively in the society becomes history. So that ultimately gets translated into history, whatever we are as a society. And ultimately we agree upon our own ignorance, downfall, setback, and our own absence of decision making, choice, volition, character, and irresponsibility, insincerity, because history is also the reflection of all these lacks and crises and psychic insecurities and compulsions and regressions and obviously arrogance and obsessions, greeds that led everything bad to happen. And we are basically agreeing upon that because we are also suffering from the same sort of problems and internal conflicts and mental downfalls and psychic tragedies in one way or another. We also do not have any clarity about who we are, what we represent, because identity